For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
When it comes to reliable travel companions, the SHOWKOO luggage set stands out with its durability, functionality, and thoughtful design. Whether you're a frequent traveler or planning your next vacation, this set provides the right combination of strength and convenience to ensure a smooth journey. Lightweight construction. The SHOWKOO luggage set is crafted from extra-thick PC plus ABS materials, offering a perfect balance between durability and lightweight convenience. The hardshell exterior ensures impact resistance while remaining easy to carry. To maintain its sleek appearance, the textured finish helps prevent scratches, keeping your luggage looking new even after multiple trips. Effortless maneuverability. Traveling through airports and crowded spaces is seamless with silent and smooth 360 degrees multi-directional spinner wheels. These wheels, equipped with soft TPU and lubricating balls, glide effortlessly over various surfaces. Tested rigorously, this luggage has successfully passed a 100% drop test and a walking test that simulates real-world travel conditions, carrying 15 kilograms for 40 kilometers at 10 kilometers per hour. Adjustable and sturdy handle system. The 3-step telescoping handle, made from sturdy aluminum, provides a comfortable grip and easy maneuverability. Whether you're navigating through tight airport spaces or rolling your luggage over bumpy terrain, this ergonomic handle ensures smooth ups and downs. Smart interior organization. Packing is more efficient with the full-zip interior divider and cross straps, helping to keep items organized during transit. The handsome slider and square design maximizes storage space, while the small interior pouch provides a convenient spot for essentials like toothbrushes, wallets, or makeup. Compact and convenient nesting storage. The SHOWKOO luggage set is designed for easy storage when not in use. The 20-inch and 24-inch suitcases nest inside the 28-inch suitcase, allowing for compact storage in a single box. Why choose SHOWKOO luggage? Durable PC plus ABS hardshell construction for long-term use. Scratch-resistant textured finish to maintain a fresh look. Expandable 24-inch and 28-inch suitcases for more packing space. Smooth 360 degrees spinner wheels for effortless mobility. Reinforced handles to prevent cracking. Side-mounted TSA lock for enhanced security. Full-zip interior divider and cross straps for better organization. Compact nesting design for convenient storage. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, the SHOWKOO luggage set in army green is a smart investment that combines style, durability, and practicality. With its advanced features and robust build, it ensures a hassle-free travel experience every time.